Hi everyone, in this video, we will be showing you how to use all the features in the new Mr. T2 pretreatment machine. So starting on the very left, you have the power button used to turn on and off the machine. To the right of that, we have the round trip function. With this function turned off, the nozzle will spray only in one direction. With this function turned on, the nozzle will spray in both directions, basically doubling the amount of pretreat you lay down on the garment. To the right of that, you have the volume setting, which controls how much pretreat is sprayed. The buttons are very straightforward. Up arrow is for more volume, down arrow is for less volume. Refer to the chart below for reference on how much pretreat you need. Next to that is your area selection function. The up and down arrows control how high up or down low you'd like the spray area to move. The left and right arrows control turning on and off the two nozzles that are inside. You can see your exact spray area by the green bars that are to the right of the button. A useful feature to go along with that is the pre-scan button. When pressed, the interior light will shut off and the laser will show you exactly where your spray area is so that you can always get an accurate spray. The next feature is the program set. This feature allows you to set up to 9 different presets, where you can have all your different settings saved so you don't have to go in and manually change each individual setting every time you have to change your pretreat or garment. To set a preset, first select the preset button. Here we'll go with 1. Hold the gear button for 3 seconds and then let go. You will know that it is ready when the interior light turns off. Now go ahead and set your round trip and volume to the desired settings. Next, to set the spray area, first decide if you want both nozzles on. For this example, we will leave both on since we want both nozzles to spray. Then select the start area of the spray and then tap the gear button. Then use the down arrow to move the green bar to the end point of the desired spray area. Then tap the gear button again. If that's the only area you'd like to spray, go ahead and tap the gear button 2 more times to save the preset. If you'd like to create a secondary spray area below, then do not tap the gear button twice. Instead, move the green bar to the next start point and tap the gear button once. At this point, you can also turn on and off either of the 2 nozzles separate from the first spray area that you set. Then once again, move the green bar to the end point of the secondary spray area, then tap the gear button to save the preset. A nice adjustment feature that you have now with the T2 is the ability to change the angle of each nozzle. To change this, loosen the knob and then gently move the nozzle to the desired position. Use the indicator here to make sure each nozzle is mirroring the other. The next feature is the cost setting. This will give you an estimate of how much each spray costs. First, press the $sign, then press the arrow keys to set the number to the dollar amount of 1 gallon of whichever pretreat that you're using costs. Then, press the $sign again to set. Once set, the number will now show you in cents how much each spray costs. Lastly, you have the clean button that is used for maintenance purposes to manually run the pump, and the start and stop button to pretreat your shirt. Alright, hope that helps. I'll see you guys in the next video.